Hello, crypto world. Monday afternoon, and the stock market just closed, and unfortunately, it closed lower after the Nasdaq made a new all-time high. The primary reason, or one of the major reasons for the back off, was the fact that there's concern about the CPI, Consumer Price Index, which comes out tomorrow morning at 8:30. Many firms have put out reports that they believe the CPI will go higher than it was in the prior month. The consensus is that CPI will rise to 2.8% on an annual basis. I'm going to step aside so you can get more details. And I only put this up so that you, if you're on at 8:30 in the morning, you can see if the CPI comes out higher than expected or lower. Interestingly, despite the concern of CPI being higher than expected, gold is down. That's not usually the relationship with inflation. And the futures market in the Chicago Mercantile Exchange still has a significant probability of rates being lowered in September, despite the concern about CPI. And while tariffs haven't been front page news today, the Trump administration did in fact extend the China tariff deadline 90 days, which puts it more or less in November. And when we jump over to crypto, it's really kind of, for me, disappointing. Bitcoin traded above 120,000. It's backed off, as has Ethereum, but still they're up on the week, and you see XRP showing relative weakness, but nothing dramatic, as it too awaits the CPI. I want to share one remarkable fact. In the equity market, there is an index that is of the small cap. It's called the Russell 2000. Hedge funds have now built the largest short position in small cap stocks in history, suggesting that the rally we're seeing will not go to the small cap stocks, and they're anticipating a sell-off in the equity market. I mention that because if there were a major sell-off on equity, you would see the same thing in crypto. But there still is bullish crypto news. The crypto exchange Bullish, which is going to do an IPO, increased its valuation, so it is based now on $5 billion. And as we know how successful the crypto-related IPOs have been in particular Circle, one expects this one to be very successful also. Bottom line, 8:30 tomorrow morning, you have the expected numbers. If it turns out that the numbers are higher than expected, and that suggests that the rates will not be lowered in September, though I personally don't think that's going to happen, you're going to see a sell-off in crypto. If, on the other hand, it's lower than expectation, of course you'll see a rally, because then we are more assured of a rate cut. And if it's in line with expectations, I don't see any dramatic move up or down, and I believe that is probably what is going to happen, but I'm no economist, so that's just my instinct.